Hello masterminds. In this vlog I shall review Monkey Shoulder. I've never had Monkey Shoulder before, but I've learned on YouTube that it's a good entry Scotch whiskey. At my local Total Wine & More, this 43% ABV 750ml bottle costs $26.99 without tax. Nice. Batch 27. Gold. Yes. Very floral. Caramel. Zesty fruits. Apple. Nice caramel flavor. The oak spice just fades away quickly. Not complex, very light. The YouTubers I watched that have reviewed this whiskey have nosed butter, but I don't sense it. Maybe because I have a little bit of a sniffle. I don't get it. I'm going to try the whiskey with my chilling stones, my bag of cold chilling stones, in one of my new whiskey glasses. BRB. They've been in the freezer overnight. Now I'm getting butter. Yeah. Getting really close to the whiskey. The caramel has that that richness of butter. Oh, got some in my nose. Did it again. Butter. Yeah. I rate this whiskey .5 out of 10. Day drinking. I'm already intoxicated. This whiskey is ideal for mixing because it's fairly cheap and you won't disrespect it by mixing ingredients into it because it's not that complex. Compared to my go-to Macallan, Sherry Oak 12 years old, it's not that intense in the caramel. That's why I couldn't find the butter easily. And it lacks that nuttiness from the sherry that I just absolutely adore. Yeah. Well, masterminds, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you in a week's time. I may see you earlier, but you know, you get the whole schedule I outlined in a previous vlog, I think 2 vlogs ago. Yeah. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I'll see you then. Remember, be smart for your heart. Good night.